In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Guam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what information to enter, and how to make sure your payment is recorded properly, all without a trip to the courthouse. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Judiciary of Guam website. On the home page, look for a link that says Pay Fine Online or Traffic Citations Payment. Those phrases may appear under sections like online services or payments. If you don't immediately see it, use the site's search bar and type pay fine or traffic citation. You want the court's official payment portal, not a third-party site. Once you're on the payment page, it's time to look up your ticket. You can search using your citation, also called your ticket number, or by a case number or your name. The citation number is usually printed near the top of your paper ticket. Type your details carefully and double check for typos. If your search returns no results, don't panic. It can take a few days from the date you receive the ticket for it to appear in the system. So try again later if needed. When your ticket appears, review the details before you pay. Confirm the violation type matches what you received, verify the fine amount, and make note of any listed court date or payment deadline. Make sure your personal information is accurate. If something looks off, pause and contact the court for clarification before submitting a payment, because paying typically finalizes the citation and may affect your options. If everything is correct, proceed to payment. Select your case, then enter your debit or credit card information on the secure checkout screen. You may see a small processing fee displayed. Review the total before you confirm. For your protection, use a trusted device and a secure internet connection. Payments here are processed through the official court system, so the page should clearly indicate you are still within the Judiciary of Guam's portal. After you submit, wait for the confirmation screen to load and save proof right away. Download the receipt if a download button is offered, or take a clear screenshot that shows the date, amount, and confirmation number. If an email receipt is available, keep that too. Store your confirmation in a place you can easily find later in case you need to show proof of payment. That's it. You've paid your Guam traffic ticket online quickly and securely, and you have the records to prove it.